Okay, so today we got our ultrasound. Yes, they found something, but it wasn't good news. At first, the tech said it could possibly be. Hi. It could possibly be twins, one in the uterus and one outside the uterus. So you may have two healthy babies or one healthy baby, or whatever. But she didn't want to confirm it until she saw the doctor, the radiologist. So we waited for an hour. Then she informed us that the radiologist said I have to go see my OB. Called the OB, walked over to OB, and she informed me that it was an abnormal pregnancy. Meaning, yes, I was pregnant. Yes, the numbers were showing that my quant count was going up, but there was no baby. I had a sac with tissues in it and cells and whatever, but no baby, no heartbeat, no nothing. So I have a molar pregnancy. Yes, it's very heartbreaking after being shocked about being pregnant with the situation me and my husband have, and then accepting it and being excited and being hopeful. Even from the first ultrasound that they didn't see anything, we were still holding on to hope that there's something there. The baby's there. I'm praying that they find even an infection or something that's causing my pain, because I was tired of coming in for no reason. Well, now I have to do a DNC on Friday. Yay, whoop-de-doo. No, not really. Because it breaks my heart, because we were excited for possibility of twins or just a healthy baby. But now we have to get rid of whatever it is, the alien going inside me. Part of me is like, what if they're wrong? What if they're wrong? What if it's a baby? But there's no second guessing it. There's no second thought. They said it has to come out. So this is where my journey may end. But still, just keep praying, right? I hope nobody else has to go through it. It sucks. Yes, there's no baby to be worried of or crying for, but honestly, that attachment, that emotion that I started growing for it, it hurts. I'm thinking, what happened? I've been pregnant 3 times with 3 healthy babies. I did everything the same way. I quit smoking on the spot. I tried my hardest. Any little aches and pains, I went to go see a doctor right away. Why? Why this one? But it is what it is. It probably wasn't meant to be. You know what, guys? I won't stop, and I won't blame him, and I won't say that he hates me. So I think my last video for this pregnancy will be when or after the DNC.